This is a different type of video today as a digital marketer and as someone that is always trying to figure stuff out. You guys might follow this channel because I've published over 505 books on Amazon KDP, print-on-demand books, because that it is free to upload books and generate passive income. There is a little bit of work up front that you have to do to be able to generate the passive income, but it has been 2 years and I'm at $99,000 in royalties, and I'm going to give away the 0 to 100K blueprint. It's going to be a video on my website where you can see how I did this, but also what I would do different. And this past weekend, I went to a retreat with other female entrepreneurs that make 6 and 7 figures. We were all moms. There was 8 of us, and it was so much fun. And they were asking me, like, what do you do? And I was explaining that, like, Amazon pays you instead of you paying Amazon. And you upload your files to Amazon, and Amazon stores them for free, and it's print on demand. And all these light bulbs went off in their mind because they have tons of content. They have tons of workbooks and PDFs, and they're constantly online to drive business, make sales, create more time freedom. They were kind of blown away about KDP, which for those of you that subscribe, you're like, duh, we've been doing this. I was like, I want to blow this up a little bit more. I want more people to know that it's accessible. So on the plane ride, I read this book. It was a game changer. Microscripts. It's kind of like talking about the words that you use to get things going. Talks about, political parties that win elections because they use short phrases. And it made me think a lot about KDP, because everything that we do on KDP is driven by microscripts too, right? They're called keywords. As I was telling them about this, and they were asking, how do you actually teach people? And I told them that I had a coaching program, and they were like, well, I think you need a coaching program for 6 and 7 figure entrepreneurs to be able to put their customized content on Amazon, because they already have an email list, so they can drive traffic to it organically, but then also establish authority and maybe get leads. And last week I was doing a webinar. If you guys are in the marketing space, I do what's called a perfect webinar, where I teach topics for free, and then I invite people to join me if they don't want to do it alone. And there was somebody that came on to that live training, and they told me they found me from Amazon. And now my eyes are like, they were already opened to Amazon KDP, but like, if you're a business owner, now I'm like, if I could get leads from Amazon more for myself as a digital marketer, that would be so cool. So that is what I'm working on. I'm gonna do probably $30 to $40 product for business owners. If you are a business owner and you haven't published yet, then you will want this product. It will help people walk through account setup. Like, I didn't even know you could sell your account. I would have set my account up differently, and then it will lead people that if they wanted to work with me more, they could. And so I'm in a program building that out because I'm going to relearn Facebook ads. One of the reasons that I'm going to relearn Facebook ads is because I learned them in 2019 and a lot of things have changed. And I have also told you that you can't exactly run Facebook ads to your book on Amazon KDP. However, I am learning that people are using Facebook ads to get reviews, serious reviews. So I met a woman, she was like, I'll get on a call and show you, but it is for Kindle. So I'm like, what is the next step to help low content and medium content publishers actually use Facebook ads to generate reviews? Because we know that the long game is reviews. If a book has really good reviews, it is harder to compete with, because Amazon loves us as customers first before self-publishers. So if you can actually create something that allows the customer to have a good experience and they leave reviews, then Amazon's always going to suggest that book. So I will tell you, if you see something on demand on Amazon and it has over 1,000 reviews, you just need to manage your expectations that just because you create an identical book like the one with 1,000 reviews doesn't mean your book has the algorithm to back it, right? What is the algorithm? It's the historical sales. It's the data that Amazon has around every person who's bought that book and left a review. So you just have to manage your expectations. So it's been really fun because I'm really going to lean into self-publishing more. It's finding that balance. Like I have 500 books. Now there is an upload limit, 3 a day. So for the past 4 days, I've been uploading some medium content every day. I've been working on it in the morning. And now I have to find that balance of trying to learn everything about self-publishing and grow my business as someone coaching business owners through self-publishing. Now, you may have heard I have the Book Income Stream Machine. That is a self-paced program for people looking to generate passive income just by doing low and medium content books. Most of them, a large percentage of my members, do not have existing businesses where they are trying to establish authority. And so after this retreat, it was in upstate New York at a cabin, it was very clear to me that business owners need to learn this skill set too, and they have a lot of market research already done with their existing email list. Many people will get on Amazon KDP and have a brand do really well, and then they build an email list, and I think that's great. Don't give up if you're like, I'm going a different direction. For me, when I started publishing, I published 200 books in 30 days, looking for profitable niches and trying. And it is always going to be the truth that you have to put in the reps to be able to figure it out. And I will say I am still putting in the reps because I want to get better at this game. I'm going to lean in and serve the business owner too, because it's been a really fun game changer to have that passive income come in. And I know many of you are doing self-publishing to grow your income, and I think that's great. And there's another side of authority. And the reason why I'm talking about this is actually when I published my book, let's see if it's around here. When I published this book and was able to rank it #1 on Amazon for bestseller and new release, it was in the category, does that look like me? It was in the category of global marketing, and all my marketing people online, my peers, they started to treat me differently when I launched a book. So I can't truly explain the authority thing, but it's a real thing, and you don't have to write a book to do that. I did not know that when I put this puppy out. I thought that you had to just write all day and all night. I'm working on another book, and I actually hired a book coach because I want to see the difference of low content, medium content, and what it takes for high content. And that's kind of where I'm at. So I'm so excited that you're here. I'm so excited. I've tried to slow down on publishing. I don't know if you've noticed that. I've gone to once a week. I don't know if you miss it. I am just trying to reach more people. And so I've got some goodies that you can grab in the description of this video as I prepare to cross 100K in royalties. We're at 99,282 at the time of this video of September 24th. I'm excited, and you need to let me know in the comments where you're stuck, because information leads to inspiration, and if I'm able to help you get unstuck with some video tutorials or some feedback, that is the goal. Please subscribe so I know I am on the right track and serving you, right? I want to be able to give you more of those freebies. I also have some book templates that I'll be dropping soon, so thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.